In today's lesson, we will go through how to make question sentences using いつ, which means when, and how we ask this question in different ways. And at the end, we will do some exercise. Are you ready? Let's get started! Learn with us at Japanese Journey. 皆さん、こんにちは。このチャンネルでは日本語の勉強をしている皆さんに無料で日本語のレッスンを公開しています。Hi everyone, welcome to the Japanese Journey channel. In this channel, we provide free Japanese lesson for all Japanese language learners. 振り返り Let's review the last lesson. In the last lesson, we went through some Japanese question form. If you haven't watched the last video, I will put the link on the top right corner. So in the previous lesson, we learned how to form a variety of question form from the structure of それはどこですか? For example, あなたの家はどこですか? 私の家は東京です。皆さん、have you practiced what you have learned? If you like to practice, drop your sentences in the comment section below. In today's lesson, we will learn いつ, which means when. Using the structure of A は B ですか that we have learned in the previous lesson, you change B to いつ and you get それはいつですか? それはいつですか? Let's look at some examples. You can use いつ to ask question about an event that is happening. If you like to ask your friend, when is your birthday? How can we ask? Birthday in Japanese is 誕生日. Using the sentence structure of それはいつですか? Change それ to あなたの誕生日 and it becomes あなたの誕生日はいつですか? Or when is the party? Party in Japanese is party. So it becomes パーティーはいつですか? Okay, if you want to ask your friend, when is your next holiday? Holiday in Japanese is 休み. So it becomes 次の休みはいつですか? Great job! Now you know how to ask questions. Let's learn how to reply to them. If someone asks you, あなたの誕生日はいつですか? For example, if your birthday is June 25th, your answer will be 私の誕生日は6月25日です。If you want to learn how to count in Japanese, please refer the link on the top right corner. Alright, then what if you were born on another day? Let's learn how to say each month in Japanese. Let's look at the calendar months in Japanese. January 1月 February 2月 March 3月 April 4月 May 5月 June 6月 And half a year in Japanese is 半年. Now, let's look at the months in the second half of the year. July 7月 August 8月 September 9月 October 10月 November 11月 December 12月 This is a summary table of the calendar months in Japanese. If you like to practice more, please click on the link to our Japanese calendar practice drill on the top right corner. Our next example is, when is the party? To answer this question in the simplest A は B です form, you can say, パーティーは今週の日曜日です which means the party is on this Sunday. Let's look at how to say the different days in a week in Japanese. Monday 月曜日 Tuesday 火曜日 Wednesday 水曜日 Thursday 木曜日 Friday 金曜日 Saturday 土曜日 Sunday 日曜日皆さん This is the summary of the days in a week in Japanese. Again, if you like to practice more, please click on the link to our Japanese calendar practice drill video on the top right corner. Now let's look at the final example. When is your next holiday? 次の休みはいつですか? If someone asks you, when is your next holiday?You can reply by saying, 次の休みは来週の水曜日です。Let's explore more vocabulary on how to answer this question. In this timeline, we will start with the present moment, which is this week. In Japanese, this week is 今週. If we go forward into the future, 1 week from now,It is 来週 which means next week. And if we go further into the future, 2 weeks from now, it's 再来週. Let's turn back in time and go into the past. 1 week into the past is called 先週, while 2 weeks in the past is called 先々週. Minasan, this is the summary of what we have just learned. Again, if you like to practice more, please click on the link to our Japanese calendar practice drill video on the top right corner. Alright, minasan, thank you for staying till the end. Let's do some practice. How do you ask, when is your mother's birthday?In the previous lesson, we learned that you is あなた. Mother in Japanese is お母さん. So, your mother's is あなたのお母さんの. And birthday is 誕生日. So, the answer will be あなたのお母さんの誕生日はいつですか? 皆さん、I would like you to write your answer to this question in the comment section below. When is your mother's birthday? あなたのお母さんの誕生日はいつですか? Next practice. How do you ask, when is the company's event? Company in Japanese is 会社 and event is イベント。So the answer will be 会社のイベントはいつですか? 皆さん、when is your next company's event? 会社のイベントはいつですか? Please write your answer to this question in the comment section below. And lastly, how do you say the exam is next Monday? Exam is 試験 and next Monday is 来週の月曜日. So the answer will be 試験は来週の月曜日です。おめでとうございます。Congratulations! You completed それはいつですか lesson. Today, you learned how to ask when questions using the word いつ and you also learned how to explain days in Japanese. Remember to practice what you have learned in your daily life. In the next lesson, we will learn other useful forms for the basic communication. Thank you for watching until the end. See you soon. またね